the internet, welcome to my channel Hot of the Axis, where I, Soumi Paul, will be sharing about all the experience that I've gathered, all the experience that I'm going to go through in the time to come. So a quick introduction to this video. This video is going to be about the lipsticks that you can buy under 500 so that you can use it daily, for daily purpose, whenever and wherever you want. So the first lipstick I'm going to talk about is from Elle. Now the first plus point about Elle is it costs 100 rupees and they provide a lot of variety to people like me who are always on a budget. Anyways, so the first lipstick is Mauve, and this is a pretty color. It is a mixture between kind of purple, pink and brown. This is really good. As you can see, this is the color. I'll swatch it. It glides on really smooth and it suits people of any skin tone. And when I say any skin tone, I mean Indian skin tones, olive, wheatish, fair, anyone. It suits everyone and everyone tends to like it. So get this, if you haven't tried it, it is actually a very good color. The second lipstick is also from Elle and the shade name is Selfie Red. It is a red color. It suits everyone, whether you have a neutral undertone, you have a cold undertone, you have a warm undertone, it suits everyone. But if you feel like you're not liking it that much because it is too much bright for you, you can always do the stain effect instead of putting all over your lips. I'll swatch it for you. These lipsticks are all creamy mattes. They don't tend to dry out your lips or seep into the cracks of your lips. So you're pretty good to go. The only drawback, they tend to come off pretty sooner than the other lipsticks, whether you drink something or eating something. So you might need to apply it 2 to 3 times within 2 hours. Other than that, it's really good. The third lipstick is one of my favorites, and this is from Lakme, Enrich Satin. Lakme Enrich Satin, and the shade number is P135. This is the color. It is pink, but it has a slight, a little bit of purple undertone to it. So it's not totally pink. It glides on so smoothly. Like with one swipe, you're done. You don't need to apply it again and again. And this stays for 4 hours. So get this, and it costs around 200 rupees. I got it from nykaa. So if you're getting it from somewhere else, the prices may vary from place to place, but I think I got it from nykaa and it costed around 200 rupees. Okay, the fourth lipstick is also from Lakme, but this is from Lakme Enrich Matte Lipstick. This is a lot less creamier than the other one that I just showed. This is kind of a berry lipstick, and I'll swatch it. And it is not that creamy as this one that I just showed. Yeah, so the next lipstick I'm going to talk about is from Maybelline as well, and it is Chocolate and 313. Shade number is 313, and it costed me for 260 rupees, and I think I got it from Flipkart or nykaa, I don't remember, but the cost is around 300 rupees, not more than 300 rupees, 260. I got it for 260. This lipstick is a little bit broken, so please don't mind, but I'll swatch it for you very carefully because I have used it a lot. And this one is almost over. So this is the swatch, and to be honest, I like this lipstick, but I guess people with a duskier or a darker skin tone, they rock this shade like anything. They look pretty awesome, more awesome than people with my shade. But you can get it if you want to try a little bit brownish color. So this is another one. The next lipstick I got it from nykaa, and this is my recent purchase, and this shade costed me for around 383 rupees. I got it from nykaa, and the shade number is 16, Cheerleader Daze. The packaging is quite nice. I like it. Yeah, and they provide for around 3.5 gram. This is how it looks. I guess you can see. Yes. I'll swatch it for you. But to be honest, it is kind of a dupe of Mauve Date from Elle. That costs for around 100 rupees, and this costed me for 383. Now the only plus point about this lipstick is it tends to stay on your lips much more than Mauve Date. It is very similar, but also it feels very good on your lips rather than Mauve Date, and it stays more on your lips, and the texture is quite not that creamy as Mauve did, so it just doesn't come off very easily. The last lipstick in this range I'm going to talk about is from Lakme 9 to 5, and this costed me for around 450, and the shade name is Wine Order. I'll swatch it for you. This is the lipstick. And this is the color. You can see. So the best thing about this lipstick is it stays much longer than any of the lipsticks that I have just shown you, and it is much more creamier. It has a little bit of shine, but you won't be able to recognize it or feel it no matter how much you apply. It's very, very, very subtle, so it's okay. And another thing is the packaging looks really good. As you can see, it's really nice. So that's just it for today. I have shown 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lipsticks that you can buy under 500 rupees, and these are the swatches, the descriptions. You can check out the links given in the description box, and you can buy it from there. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. I need your love and support so I can put on more videos like this, better than this, or maybe worse than this, but I have to keep on trying. So thank you for coming to my channel and watching this video. Bye.